All right, so now we are sitting in the driver's seat. We are going to, I guess, drive the fucking car, stage 1 plus STI. Let's see how this goes. Let me adjust you guys real quick. Hold on. Come make sure you guys are right, you know what I'm saying? No, that's a little high. Okay. Yeah, I can see. Okay. There you go. All right. Cool. All right, good to go. Let's see. Track mode, cause got to. Rear C diff. Yeah, I gotta do that shit. Okay, cool. I was doing sport mode. Let's see how it goes. Ooh. Ooh. Dude, the tone sounds good. What the fuck? Hold on, I gotta scoot my seat back. I'm a little tall guy. You know me. Oh yeah, this is, bro.
It's a Subaru now.
Bro, this is a Subaru. This is what I need to get mine on. So it'll come, but bro, oh my. There it goes. There it goes.
Good.
There it goes. Now she's pushing. Now she's pushing. Hold on. The real showstopper. Bro, she's pulling, bro. I don't know. She's pulling at what, 1670? And a full 1.0. She's pulling, bro. I mean, but honestly, like I said, I cruise around in sport mode because sport mode is, bro, so beautiful. Sport Sharp, this car does not like Sport Sharp unless you're like giving it like the full, yeah, unless you're giving it the full gas, like then it's smooth. But as far as like, bro, sport mode, like I said, you literally can just cruise in this all day. So watch this. Dude, all day you hear the intake.
She pops.
Dude, and she popped, bro. Dude, she's popping good.
Pop.
Dude, that's great. Dude, I'm proud of you, dude. I'm like excited for you too, because this right here is just the beginning.
She's not too loud.
Nope. Put her in 6th gear and she's quiet. It's not that bad.
No.
This is at 60 and it's still like, it's there, but it's not like screaming at you. You get me? She's good. Oh, okay. Thank you.
It's easy.
It's like effortlessly to drive this car so nicely, but like it's so rewarding. Bro, so how do you feel, bro?
I'm in love.
How do you, bro? Like this is literally just bolt-ons, bro. Like intake, exhaust, like you're chilling right now. We got some wheels on you. You're chilling right now.
It's perfect. Now just suspension.
Stage 1 plus. Now we got on the suspension, dude. Yeah, bro. This is exciting, bro. Congrats.
Appreciate you.
This is, bro, and like it's like just the right amount of pops and backfires, bro. I think I need an exhaust, guys. So we need to look into some, but definitely this intake is sounding like, bro,
No, it's beautiful.
nice. It's crazy.